Hello. Today, we students of Balbharti Public School Ratnagiri are here to share some information about H1N1 2009 or swine flu. As you all know that today we are fighting with the biggest threat to our lives, COVID-19. But do you know that the whole world, including us, suffered a virus like this before also? It's none other than H1N1 2009 or swine flu. The main agent for the spread of this virus is pigs. It came through India from Mexico and United States. Due to the swine flu attack in India, more than 3,000 people died. Researchers at MIT told that it was due to poor surveillance of existing cases of swine flu at that time. But you shouldn't think that this virus is much similar to COVID-19, as the experts say that COVID-19 is 10 times more severe than H1N1 2009. Now, the question arises that how were we able to control its spread? Whether a lockdown was imposed like it is done now? The answer is yes. The people who were suspected to be infected from swine flu were asked to stay at home, wash their hands frequently, and cover their mouths with masks. So, how was our country India able to control its spread? Major reason was firstly the weather condition. The high temperature played an important role, slowing down the process of spread of swine flu. Secondly, as the whole world had already dealt with it before, including India, we already had vaccine available. So, after going through the case study of H1N1 2009, we can conclude that we can stop the spread of coronavirus only by taking preventive measures. Thank you.